How's it going everyone, Mario here, and let's talk about today's action leading into tomorrow's CPI print. QQQ first. Honestly, a pretty slow start to the session today, until the midday wall kicked in and gave us some clean action. QQQ pulled into the 5-day moving average, held and then rallied hard into the close, finishing right near the highs at $534.27. If you remember from the weekend video, we had this 531.70 as a breakout trigger, and they nailed that perfectly. The buyers showed up and pushed it straight into our 533 targets and then some. It was kind of a choppy mess at the open, but I did take advantage of this intraday pullback for a quick shot today, walked away with a nice 3-hour profit to close the session. Well, into tomorrow, we got CPI data at 8:30 a.m. EST, and that is going to be the driver. If the market likes what it hears, I wouldn't be surprised to see QQQ tagging those all-time highs at 539s to 540. And to the downside, the same 5-day moving average, which is at around $530, and under that, we got this month-to-date anchored VWAP sitting at $528. These are my downside reference points. And same story as QQQ, and if you watch the weekend update, we said anything over 600.80 starts walking SPY towards the new highs. Well, we are basically there. Now it's CPI's turn to either gap us higher or trigger a pullback tomorrow morning. For now, I got no swing trading positions on SPY or QQQ. We'll wait for the CPI print and let the markets show its hands, and we'll adjust in real time inside the live room as usual. And now let's talk about the stock which I averaged up today. BYD, Boyd Gaming Corporation. Up until yesterday, BYD was honestly kind of a dead money. We even considered reducing the size and reallocating the capital elsewhere, but yesterday and today, the stock showed up. We saw a strong recovery closing above the 5-day moving average in shorter time frames and above the 20 SMA in the daily as well. That's the strength both on shorter terms and in dominant time frames. We added more at $75 today, increasing the total risk exposure to 0.7% of the portfolio. The stops are at $72, meaning if everything fails tomorrow, everything goes completely tits up. The maximum loss which the portfolio will take is only 0.7%. That's the beauty of trading this way. I know exactly how much I'm risking before I click the buy button. No stress, no micromanaging, just set the stops, know your risk, walk away and let the trend do the work. So now the profit taking targets on BYD will be, the first target will be at $78 and the second target will be at that $81 zones. Well, if you want real-time updates when I add into these trades or when I trim or when I exit, that's all covered inside the Patreon. But if you want to trade live with me, check out the live trading rooms. The links are down below in the description. Check them out. They're awesome. Tomorrow is CPI day. We'll let the markets react and make decisions live as usual. As always, take high probability trades, manage the risk wisely, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bye-bye.